Hey everyone, welcome to this video. We're going to be showing you how to protect your display. And one of the things about this new iPhone 16 is it's using an OLED display. Obviously not just on the 16, but the 16 Pro does have an OLED display. Let me go ahead and put my password. What that means is that it can burn whatever you leave on the screen too long can actually burn onto this screen right here. And that's one thing that sucks. So this video is gonna help you change a couple settings so it won't burn onto your screen, OLED screen. All right, so we're gonna go to settings. Then we're gonna go ahead, scroll to display and brightness. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is look for the auto lock and make sure that it's not for too long or never. So also for safety purposes, it's good to have it on 30 seconds. So if you leave it on the table at the coffee shop, no one can just come in and use your phone. But yeah, you never want to set it on never. So that's the first thing you want to do. 30 seconds might be a little too soon for some people, but then go ahead and change it to 1 to 2 minutes. All right, the second thing you're going to want to do is go to settings. And we're also going to go back to display and brightness. And what we want to do is make sure that the always display is on. You're going to see right here, always on display. Make sure it's turned on. This way, none of your personal information will be on display. As soon as, for example, I'm going to just go ahead and let it turn off now. I'll probably skip this part. And then as you can see, it's always going to just be on this always on display now. Now, if you leave it on the table, a stranger can't just come in and change it. But anyways, yeah, these two settings you're going to want to do as soon as you get your iPhone 16. It will help prevent burning onto the screen because it's an OLED screen. And it will also help you with the privacy and your battery maximum performance. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to protect your display on your new iPhone 16, 16 Pro. Let me go ahead and put in the password real fast. And we're back. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is first go to settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to want to go to general. Then we're going to drop down to display